In today's world, a college degree or certificate can be the difference between unemployed and hired. It's perhaps the most important reason why students everywhere seek a college education. But why should you choose a community college? And why should you choose STC? First off, college graduates earn more. Students who earn a bachelor's degree can earn an average of $486 more per week than non-college graduates. Career stability is a must, and with a college degree, your chances of unemployment are far less than someone with only a high school diploma. When you choose the field you want to work in, you'll love what you do. Working in a career field of your passion can provide a sense of identity, fulfillment, and motivation. Now, why choose South Texas College? At STC, we want all of this for you, and we'll help you get there. What makes STC exceptional is a robust online campus and adaptable course schedules designed to benefit students who value and require flexibility. Our affordable tuition and payment options, which help you graduate with as little debt as possible. STC's high-tech training and skills learning, which provides you with the experience you need to stay ahead of the competition. Our transfer options, designed to make your jump to your dream university fast and easy. And our Bachelor and CBE programs, which prioritize your education while decreasing costs. So whether you're fresh out of high school or finishing what you started, South Texas College is the right choice to experience exceptional.